First and most important, open concept living. Sub-zero fridge. Check that out. Fill that up with champagne, hell yeah. Wolf appliances, built-in microwave. Wolf 6-burner stove and range. Pot filler, amazing. Beautiful Italian granite. Countertops are just amazing. Instant hot water. Vegetable drawers. Wine fridge. Massive, beautiful island. Beautiful Italian porcelain tile. Bocce lighting. Dining for an incredible number of people. We've got this gorgeous vaulted ceiling with parallel beams. Indoor, outdoor living. We'll get to all the goodies out here, but this is just a little sneak peek. Open up these accordion doors and you have seamless inside and outside living in this gorgeous home. Brains of the house.